So whatever your portfolio is generating should be able to cover your living expenses
without the capital.
Without touching your capital.
Yes.
So that's really how rich folks think. They don't eat their seed.
Yeah.
If you eat the seed, you're done.
You're done.
You don't pay school fees from your seed. You pay school fees from the fruit of the seed.
Fruit of the seed.
You have we started your lifestyle plan, and it comes after the education.
Yeah.
And how has it been? 2 years later, how do you feel?
I believe it has surpassed the expectations that I had in terms of what I was expecting. When I look at, I normally follow up on a monthly basis, and I see the kind of the progress that I'm getting from the capital that I'm putting in. For sure, the interest and that is actually very impressive.
Yeah.
So the last 2 years has been good. I believe if I had not put in this kind of plan right now, I would be lost, if I can say that. Yeah, so it was a very good and strategic and very important thing that I did.
Yeah. So tell me, what is this lifestyle plan? What did it have? What did NABO present to you that now we call it a lifestyle plan?
Yes. Yeah. So basically, this plan is supposed to be in the eventuality of any issues that you face in life.
Turbulence, disruption,
and
by
any
COVID.
disruptions and all that has happened. You know that what has happened in COVID.
Yeah.
It is something that can complement the income, either the income that you have or any
You can
issue.
switch your reliance.
Reliance to it. With at ease, without any
So you don't
any
have
stress.
to worry that COVID is
happening.
COVID.
Yeah. If
You have
there's
a backup
something
plan.
that COVID has made us learn is that we need to plan for the future for sure.
Yeah.
So it was a very good and the fact that also in terms of the future, the lifestyle is something that's supposed to make sure that minimum baseline that you have, that you expect in life, the life that you would like to live in the future.
Yeah.
Now this lifestyle plan is one that is going to will be able to fund that lifestyle that you would like. Yeah,
so that's a very important point,
Yeah,
because you're saying that your children are used to going to certain schools, you're used to eating certain kind of foods, exactly. You live in a certain neighborhood, you go to certain clubs, you hang out with certain friends, all that is lifestyle.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
And you are setting, with your lifestyle plan, you are setting a minimum that you will never drop. Your living standards will never go lower than that.
Exactly.
Whether you have your job or you don't have your job. Whether your business is running or it has been disrupted by COVID, that you will never ever go below that.
Lower than that.
Yeah,
exactly.
And that's really what is in the lifestyle plan.
Yeah.
Because it starts with how much do you need to survive in a month? How much does your lifestyle cost you in a month?
Yes, exactly.
Yeah. And then how much do you need to contribute to build up a portfolio?
To build up, to ensure from the budget, if you know if this is the amount that normally for living expenses, if you're living in a rental house, the rent that when you look at that, your lifestyle plan basically should be able to cover the
all
basic
those things.
needs at ease, with no stress.
Yes.
Yeah. So that's
without
why you
touching
need
your capital.
Yes. In addition to the education plan, you need this as well.
Yeah.
Without touching your capital.
Yes.
You're basically, the interest is one that is paying for that lifestyle.
Yeah. So whatever your portfolio is generating should
what
be able to cover your living expenses
without the capital.
Without touching your capital.
Yes.
So that's really how rich folks think. They don't eat their seed.
Yeah.
If you eat the seed, you're done.
You're done.
You don't pay school fees from your seed. you pay school fees from the fruit of the seed.
Fruit of the seed.
From the fruit of the seed. So it's really amazing what you've tried to do. But we can maybe go to the important insights, and you've already tackled one, which is minimum living standards. Yeah, you don't come from living in Runda and one day you just go to living in the slum. You get, or you don't come from this neighborhood, you go to a lower neighborhood in your when your earning power is diminishing.
Yes.
And also you want to get there very quickly.
Yes.
You want to get there very quickly.
Yes.
So that you get to do what you love to do every single day of the
rest of your life.
Of the rest of your life. Of your life.
Yes. Yes.
So that was one.
Yeah.
Then what the next thing I heard you talk about is a manager.
Yeah. Yeah. So the other thing is when you're looking for the other ticket I would say is do your research before in terms of the company that you choose.
Who to invest with.
Who you invest with, yeah. Look at their background, their historical performance, and the way they work. Are they professional? The integrity, which is very important in this world we are living in. So those are the two things I would say.
Yeah.
And for me, I would say Nambo has been able to meet all those requirements.
Yeah.
And anybody out there, please just check on that. Those factors are very important. Yeah, for
so
me. Yeah.
Don't trust your hard-earned money.
Yes.
With rogue investors.
Rogue investors. Yes.
Because this is about minimum. You're setting a cushion that your family never drop below.
For your future.
So if someone destroys that, they've destroyed your future.
All your earnings. Yeah.
Yes. Interesting. And how do you start a lifestyle portfolio?
All you need to do is open an investment account with a certified like Nabo Capital company, like Nabo Capital, and come up with a plan. And when just like the education plan, come up with a plan of, you don't have to start big, start small.
Yes.
With whatever you have.
Yes.
Put it into the plan, and you will see work with the account manager in terms of the relation, in terms of building up the plan. Yeah, that's what I would say. Yeah.
Interesting, because that starting small.
Yeah.
I have thought about it a lot.
Yes.
I have worked for 20 years.
Yes.
Thereabout. Yeah. 20 plus years now. And I've always imagined if I started paying myself first with my
20s.
first small salary.
Yes.
When I was 20 something.
Yeah.
Off university.
Yeah.
And how much, and if I kept that discipline to date, first and foremost, I believe I would be earning very good cash flows month by month. More than probably what my family would need today.
Wow.
If you add the bonuses that you have received, the salary increments you have received, the windfalls that have come along the way, you probably would be in a very good place. So it's important that you start small.
Start small.
Imagine doing this you've done it for 2 years.
Yes.
Imagine doing this for 20 years.
20 years.
For sure you'd have retired by now. Not from work.
Yeah.
But you have the choice of doing what you love to do every single day of the year.
Yeah.
So start I like that.
Yeah.
And there's something that you also touched on, which I think is good to highlight for the audience, that you normally monitor and the progression towards your goal.
Yes.
Did you set a goal for your retirement?